Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to create a cartoon animation video with AI. First, let us begin by opening Adobe Express on your computer. This is a program where you can create animated videos, and once you have opened Adobe Express, navigate to the Animate from Audio feature. This is where you can bring your animated character to life using your voice. Here you will see a variety of characters to choose from for your video. Scroll through to explore more options and select the ones you want to use. After choosing your character, you can add more characters to the canvas if needed. You can also adjust their placement on the canvas to create your desired scene. Next, let us focus on the background, and in the background section, you will find different backgrounds to set the scene for your video. Scroll down to see more options and choose the one that fits your story. Once you have chosen a background, it is time to select the size of your video. You can do this in the size settings. Now you're ready to record your character's dialogue. Click on record and speak into your microphone to bring your character to life. If you prefer, you can also upload audio from your device by clicking on browse. As you record, you will see a preview of your animation being generated. Once you are satisfied with your video, you can download it as an MP4 file or open it in Adobe Express to add filters and text for extra flair. To add text-to-speech audio to your video, you can use the Narrowkey feature. Simply type in your text, select the language, and click on Create Audio to generate the audio for your video. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.